Quick way of tying a sack closed, and it's also quick release. So as you can see in front of me, I've got the bag, the neck of the bag that I want to tie up, and my cordage. The first thing that we want to do is just take enough through, so pass the cordage through away from you, and then at this point here, form a bight in your cord. Then take the working end and bring it underneath the sack, the neck of the sack, like so, and bring it towards you. Take it over the top, so it then runs just to the right hand side of that previous turn. Take it over, around the back, and then once again we go round for another time, so it's running parallel to the previous one. Take it around the back, and then we bring it to the front. Once we've brought it to the front like so, the next thing that we do is we form a bight in our working end and pass that bight through the previous bight that we created at the very beginning. Pass your bight through that bight, pull it up nice and tightly, and then pull down on your standing end, and that will lock it all nice and tight. And like I said, this is quick tie, quick release. All we do is pull on here, and as you can see, it's now all come undone again. So there we have it, one in number, bag knot.